young nayo. And to be proud and say, I am umntana kaBaba Jacob Zuma, and a child that will make sure that umntwana struggling has a better future, just like me. I think we need to stop the squabbles, and we just only have one mandate. Yeah. We are going to our elections. Yes, we are having fights. Yes, it's a peace, but asingalahlekela into khona yengekho. Just because of law ostendayo uthanda. But now it's a saddest thing that amanyama branches or amanyama what they tend to not see umuntu omusha, and there's nothing that they do with it. Akukho kuzoyenzeka kunomuntu omusha mengukuthi mele kuze kithi. We will boycott everything, we will close everything while uyo umuntu omusha ingaphathwa umuntu omusha angeke kube mnandi. They don't call us ama young lions for nothing. When we come and enter, we make sure that we leave nothing. So pata umuntu omusha pata. I see.
This thing of singing, you know, it doesn't all.
No, the energy is not enough, especially from Abantabash. No, first of all, I'd just like to welcome you to my sub-region. Because now I'm home, I can properly introduce myself. Igama ubanele chikcheling on the highest level of Wakuma. I think mine is to speak specifically on the part here youth leadership. We are going to see a change, comrades. It's inevitable. It's something that will happen. Young people will rule. Young people will govern. With that being said, as young people we have a responsibility. The topic of the wedding as part of the theme, it says youth leadership. Yes, you are a member of the youth league. Yes, you are umuntu omusha. But now understand the term or the part of leadership. Leadership will never be that now you are given a position and then we are kagazes. That is why today I was seated even there, because to some extent and to some degree, if you are a leader that you say you are, you will know your own limits and you will know your own mistakes and you will acknowledge them. I'm being put on a pedestal today, of which, as much as I would love to say, no, I'm the Nobala of the region of Abantabata, I cannot. Because as the Youth League, we have a lot of work to be done. And before that work is done, then we can only claim, yes, we are leaders of the Youth League. And lo msebenzi loyo sizobona after i-4 November, if siwenzile nje sawenza ngokweqiniso. Members of the Youth League, I wish to say this to you. We are important, very important. We are the future. We are, and actually, we are no longer the future. I used to say to the political detachment before the elections machinery, you will never call me the future, because the future is something that starts, but I am now. And you will acknowledge me namhlanje. So muntu omusha, know yourself. You are no longer part of any future. Take up spaces. I think if you know myself, the provincial Nobala and Duket, the organizer of the region, here in the East, Comrade Bazo can attest, we fought during those processes of the sub-regional one. We were not fighting for ourselves, but we were fighting for young people to make sure they are in there. And being a young person means that you must read, comrades. You must read. Ukuba umuntu omusha and oncwadanga, it's no longer appealing. I say into echazayo. the struggle for abantu ukuthi mhlambe bangafundi isikhathi sabo sesadlule umuntu omusha manje ukungafunda ayikho into echazayo because uzodlula into eziningi more especially during politics bazokushanga amanye ama guidelines nawo bona. For instance, there are other sub-regions where now the guidelines stipulated which no young people within the sub-region must be represented. And then it goes back to say what's this part? Umuntu who is physically unable to do certain things must be represented. You do not only read that guideline, because ufundile, you'll be able to say with not also the constitution then goes back and says if akekho umuntu mhlambe okhubazekile ngiyaqolisa ukusebenzisa lelo gama, then the young person must be represented, meaning that within that region or sub-region we are expecting 2 or more of abantu abasha within that structure. That goes within ukufunda, comrades. Yabona, I'll tell you one thing. Youth endala, we are one with them. Motherboard, more umuntu omusha. Motherboard, they are very political abantu. And bazokushaya most zabo ngepolitiki. Because umuntu omusha, there are certain things that you do not understand. But weza kubo ufundile uzobashaya bathanda bangathanda. With that being said, comrades, mine is to talk to umuntu omusha. I said within the East, and this is metaphorical. If all people do not want to die, we kill them. And that does not mean literally, comrades. But then now, it's metaphorical because now, if the old organization does not want to die and relinquish power, then we kill it in the ballot. Because there's no other place. We have seen it in universities. I'm one of the founding members of MKSM within Northwest University. Hence I wear this t-shirt proud. And when we were there was still this I'll say it because he's here. Chile is chairperson. Nini ni lebenda is chairperson. Yebona soke lesotla yaka ku province ukuthi mabazothi bona ma chairperson nani. It also goes down to in Kirichi. They then becomes two structures. So as the Northwest University, we said we are not going to entertain that thing. And that is the attitude a young person must have. Know your goal. Yazi into oyifunayo. Bese uyilande. Akekho umuntu ozokunikeza yona. Cela ukukhuluma nomntana entombazana. Akekho umfana ozokunikeza umhlaba. Umhlaba uzozakhela wena ngokwakho.
Okay. Okay, Baba.
Let's cut back his card. Tanentombazana needs to understand that. Umhlaba engizokunikeza wona. So it's example ngoba uBeyonce vele umngani wami. Ngithembisa uBeyonce umhlaba. Umhlaba engamnikeza wona ngawuthatha nanoma kuningi. Because ayikho into oyiphethe ozibambele yona. So funda mntu omusha. Funda. As I said, igama ubanele teaching on the highest level of Akuma.